Ever joined a project and spent days just figuring out front end, back end, AI? Where does it all connect? You check the documentation, but it's outdated. You look for diagrams, but they don't match the code. Deadlines are ticking closer, and instead of writing features, you are just trying to understand the system. This is a universal pain for developers. Every day, millions of hours are wasted untangling the architectural spaghetti. That means lost productivity, endless onboarding, and projects that run late. So we asked a question: what if your project's architecture was not hidden? What if it was alive, always accurate and interactive, like Google Maps? Pull your code base? That idea became KiroScope. But we didn't build it alone, we built it with Kiro, our AI partner. Instead of starting from scratch, we began with plain English. In the Kiro folder, there is a spec.md. We wrote something like a tool that passes a project spec, generate an interactive graph and project interaction. From that one description, Kiro generated the foundation of our app. It scaffolded the project, connected the pieces, and gave us a starting point we could actually build on. But the real magic came with Agent Hook. This is the watch at the monitor, the spec file. Every time we update the spec, Kiro automatically passes the changes, updates the live architecture graph, and adjusts the backend code where needed. It felt less like coding and more like collaborating with AI. One of the hardest challenges was setting up a spec layout for real-time communication with front-end and backend. Normally this means hours of boilerplate and debugging, but Kiro generated it in minutes, clean, functional, and ready to run. From real component on the front end to Node.js backend routes to socket.io connection, Kiro accelerated every step of development. Even the fine details inside the KiroScope, the docs, the example code, the best practices tips were drafted with Kiro's help. Now let's see the result. This is a KiroScope, a living breath, a map of your project. The moment you open it, you see your full architecture, front-end, back-end, database, even AI model visualized in real time. No guessing, no digging through repos. Click on Node and you instantly get. You can explore in different layout, drag and repetition nodes, zoom into details or search for services and see where it connects. It says that onboarding is faster, collaboration is smoother, understanding becomes instant, and none of it will have possible without Kiro. It did not generate the code, it shaped the way we build, guide us through talent, and accelerate our entire workflow. This is KiroScope, the living project map built for developers, built with AI, and built with Kiro. Thank you for your time.